Solar system. Our solar system consists of the sun and all the celestial bodies that revolve around it. In this chapter, we will learn about the sun, the planets that revolve around it, and their satellites. Sun. The sun is a big ball of gases. It gives us heat and light. All the planets revolve around the sun. Planets. Planets revolve around the sun in a fixed path called orbit. Many planets have a satellite or moon that revolves around it. Planets do not have their own light. They reflect light from the sun. The 8 planets that revolve around the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Let us learn more about planets in detail. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It is the smallest planet. This planet is also often called the morning and the evening star. This is because Mercury shines brightly just before the sun rises and also just after the sun sets. Venus. Venus is the second closest planet to the sun. It is almost identical to the Earth in size, gravity, and weight. But the temperature on Venus is very high because of the thick atmosphere. It is the hottest planet in the solar system. Earth. Earth is the third closest planet to the sun. It is also called the blue planet because 70% of its surface is covered with water. It is the only planet where life is known to exist. Mars. Mars is the fourth closest planet to the sun. It is called the red planet because soil and rocks found on Mars are red in color. Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth closest planet to the sun. It is the largest planet in the solar system. Saturn. Saturn is the sixth closest planet to the sun. It is the second largest planet in the solar system. It has ring-like structures around it. Uranus. It is the seventh planet from the sun. It is the third largest planet of the solar system. It was the first planet that was discovered using a telescope. Neptune. It is the eighth and farthest planet of the solar system. This planet is known for its fast-blowing cold winds. It is the fourth largest planet of the solar system. Satellites. A satellite is an object that revolves around a planet in an orbit. Like planets, satellites also do not have their own light. They reflect light from the sun. There are two types of satellites: natural satellites and artificial satellites. Natural satellites. A natural satellite is a celestial body that revolves around a planet in an orbit. The Moon is the Earth's natural satellite. The planets and their respective number of satellites are given below. Mercury 0, Venus 0, Earth 1, Mars 2, Jupiter more than 65, Saturn more than 60, Uranus 27, Neptune 14. Artificial satellites. An artificial satellite is a man-made object that revolves around a planet in an orbit. Artificial satellites have many uses. Some of them are as follows. Artificial satellites are used to study distant planets and other celestial bodies. They give us weather reports. They are also responsible for the transmission of telephone, television, and radio signals. Thanks for watching.